what would be the output? Hash include stdio.h int main int k is equal to 0, l is equal to 0, switch k is equal to l. Different cases, case 0, case 1, default, then return 0. So अगर आप चाहो तो पॉज करके इसका आउटपुट गैस कर सकते हो. इसका आउटपुट है ये ट्रैप्ड एट 1. अब हम देखते हैं कैसे. In k is equal to 0, l is equal to 0. Here in the switch we have k is equal to l. Since this is a comparison operator, the result of this is a boolean value which is either true or false. So it's not advisable to have a boolean value here within the switch case. It's advisable only to have an integer value, but just for the sake of understanding the language and how things work, this is just an example. So in this case, this k is equal to 0, l is equal to 0. So this returns a true. True is 1. A boolean true in C is 1. So which means that we have switch 1. So it will go and hit to the case 1. So once it hits case 1, printf trapped 1, this gets executed, and hence we see this output trapped at 1. Break, so the return comes out of this switch block and we are here at return 0, and hence the function returns. So this is the output. Thank you.